I mean, I've been working with QuickBooks for quite a number of years now, on and off. I used to do QuickBooks for a contractor, nighttime for him. And then we switched, the school that I run, we switched into using QuickBooks. I kind of inherited it from my previous administrative assistant, but it's like I'm going through your training, and some of it like I've got my vendors in, I've got my customers in, those things I've had it, and that I was able to get in smoothly, but there's still things I'm learning, which is awesome, because I didn't realize if I go and do an enter bill and then pay bill, or if I just write the check, that was duplicating the thing, and that was really helpful. And yeah, so it's been good. Some of it's been good, a good reminder for me of like, oh yeah, I forgot about that. Or so I'm really enjoying it. So it's been very helpful. Oh, I definitely think it's beneficial. I find you very enjoyable. There's a woman I contacted in my local town that does QuickBooks, and I couldn't even focus on what she was saying, and I became more frustrated because the accounting isn't my natural background, education is. And so I'm just trying to keep the books going for the school. So, but I think it's been very helpful. As I said, it's been a good reminder of, some of the processes I'd already learned but forgotten about, or some of the shortcuts, those sorts of things. And you make it so much less stressful. So I'm glad for that. Thanks so much, Candus.